Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, Your World Explorer. Today is May 22nd, 2024, and we're looking at our prime Arc Freedom Blackberry, which used to be a bush. Okay. Now, throughout the winter, this thing was still alive for the most part, but for some reason, when I think it was March or April, somewhere around there, it just lost all its leaves and it looks like it was dying. But it was very dry out too, and I only watered it one time. Okay. I'm a set and forget type of grower. I want stuff that's going to grow in this environment without any help. Well, it kind of looks like it did die back, but here we are. It has some new growth here. This stem is still green. It'll probably throw some new growth off of the tips here. And we have some new growth out of the base. So all of these grow points are important. I think this is a good thing. It's a breakthrough for our location in this specific cultivar. Hopefully going forward throughout this summertime, this thing grows exponentially. It looks like it wants to, because this is some really nice green growth. But yeah, this blackberry, the blackberry is not new to Florida. There are a lot of blackberries that grow in the wilderness, but this specific cultivar is. So we were hoping we could get this thing to proliferate here. We'll see going through the year what this thing does. But for now, it's kind of stunted, is what I would have to say. And none of the pups that we created during the cloning process have survived. So going forward, hopefully this thing regenerates and grows back very strongly, and we can get some blackberries. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe as it helps the channel grow. And stay tuned as I'll keep you updated on the progress of this prime Arc Freedom here in Florida. Have a great day. Okay, I was pulling some weeds here just a second ago, and I found this blackberry actually is not dead. So, yeah, it definitely died back, but now it's got a new shoot coming out of the bottom, the very bottom of the old stems. So that's very good news.